So good day everyone. Today we're going to discuss on what to do before, during, and after a thunderstorm. So first, let's go with before. Before the thunderstorm, we should build an emergency kit and make a family communication plan. Remove dead or rotting trees and branches that could fall and cause injury or damage during a severe thunderstorm. Unplug any electronic equipment well before the storm arrives. Get inside a home, building, or hard-top automobile. Although you may be injured if lightning strikes your car, you are much safer inside a vehicle than outside. Remember the 30 out of 30 lightning safe rule. Go indoors if, after seeing lightning, you cannot count to 30 before hearing thunder. Stay indoors for 30 minutes after hearing the last clap of thunder. So what to do during a thunderstorm? Avoid contact with anything metal. Tractors, farm equipment, motorcycles, golf carts, golf clubs, bicycles, and more. Avoid contact with plumbing. Do not wash your hands, do not take a shower, do not wash dishes, and do not do laundry. Plumbing and bathroom fixtures can conduct electricity. Avoid contact with corded phones and devices, including those plugged into electronic for charging. Cardless or wireless phones not connected to wall outlets are okay to use. Use your battery-operated weather radio for updates from local officials. If you are driving, drive safely, exit the roadway and park. Stay in the vehicle and turn on the emergency flashes until the heavy rain ends. Avoid touching metal or other surfaces that conduct electricity in and outside the vehicle. What to do after thunderstorm? Continue to listen to a weather radio or to local radio and television stations for updated information and instructions. As access to roads or some parts of the community may be blocked, watch your animals closely. Keep them under your direct control. Never drive through a flooded roadway. Turn around and don't drown. Help people who may require special assistance, such as infants, children, and elderly, or those with access or functional needs. If you or someone you know has been struck by lightning, call 911 immediately. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and God bless you all.